It's our last day in the Kruger National Park. We're heading out of it today to Blyde River Canyon. Very exciting, but sad to leave the Kruger. Just got to put down this tent.
On the road again, I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Alright, we're off now. So we've changed our minds a little bit. We were originally going to go up Palabora Gate, which meant that we wouldn't be able to spend too much time in the park. We're going out Orpen Gate, which is down south. The reason for this being is that we get to spend a little bit longer in the park, and it's a 45-minute drive from Orpen Gate to our accommodation in Blyde. We unfortunately can't then go to the hide that we wanted to go to that was just before Palabora Gate. It's called Sable Hide, right? And it's apparently a sleepover hide, so it is really cool. If you haven't been there, go. We were there, right?
No, there's two. I can't remember which one it was that we were at.
Anyway, sleepover hides are really awesome, especially if you're birders.
Yeah.
Because it's a hub there. It overlooks a watering hole, a dam, a river, whatever. It's beautiful. Anyway, have a look. Go check it out. In other news, he's driving.
We have our heading.
On the road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way, and our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way, and our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road.
The tip of our
again.
tea is extremely packed at the moment. There's literally no space.
There's like 15 cars outside it.
And more were arriving. So the plan is now to head to Satara's day visitors area, have our food there, do a loop while we're there, and then head on the main road to Orpen.
On the road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way, and our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends. I can't wait to get on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
We've made it to Satara. which means food. We're super hungry and pretty exhausted.
Satara is absolutely packed.
It's chaotic.
There are so many people. We arrived at just the right time to score a nice picnic spot. There weren't too many people around. There were like 2 other picnic spots in close proximity to us that were taken that people sat at. But literally as we decided to leave, everyone and their auntie
Came flooding in. It's
flooding
chaos.
in.
It's absolute chaos.
Oh, there are so many people here now. Yeah.
So what to take out of this is, if you can help it, try and avoid the big picnic spots. Because
Perhaps.
day visitors get hectic here.
Or to avoid it all, don't come in peak season.
Yeah, we've just missed kind of peakish season, but it's gonna start picking up from here.
Yeah. So we've looked at the board, we've consulted the board. The board says that a lot of people are seeing things on the main road. However, there are a lot of tourists here and they do tend to stick to the main road. So luckily there aren't a lot of people who take the secondary roads. And we've decided to take the S100 as our secondary road, as our last little loop that we do. So hopefully we come across things that other people haven't seen, which will be nice. But we'll keep our eyes peeled and see what we can see.
Okay, we've switched drivers, and thank goodness we did switch, because that one found out that we were out of fuel, like verging on empty. So we had to turn around on this big loop and head back to Satara, fill up, and then we're just going to take it slow to the gate I rate. Hopefully,
On the main road.
hopefully see some things on there. But yeah, it's been good, Kruger. It's time to sort of say goodbye to you.
Let's escape the city tonight, if only for a minute. I can see your eyes in candlelight. Ah yeah, I wanna be here. Ah yeah.
Finally exiting the Kruger. The exit, our extraction point. Kruger, you've been amazing.
Until next time.
Good on yourself. Cool.
You are leaving.
We're leaving. Do you want to see?
Thank you.
Yeah, after 2 beautiful weeks, it's time to say goodbye.
Oh, so you did enjoy it?
Oh yes.
That's beautiful. This one must be returning here.
Okay.
Glad to hear that. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evening.
Thank
You too, hey?
Get the rest safe. Bye.
Bye.
Better buckle up.
Yeah, because now we actually can.
Oh, we actually have to.
And we reached the castle.
Can't explain this feeling inside. Every breath I'm breathing.
Should we have gone out Palabora, or did we make the right choice in going down to Orpen? I suppose we'll never know the answer to that, but we did have a good day.
It was nice.
And apart from the tons of vehicles that were on the road, obviously going into school holidays now and being a long weekend, yeah,
Glad we're leaving now.
glad we're on the road and heading to Blyde
just glad to be alive with you by my side. Ah, yeah, I wanna be there. Ah, yeah, I wanna be there.
So we are approaching the Blyde River Canyon, and just looking at the mountain formation on our left, it's awesome because there's rolling silhouettes, so you get darker shades the closer to
Such an epic effect.
to us. It's amazing. Oh man, this place is going to be awesome, and we're going to make it in time for the sunset.
I'm just glad to be alive with you by my side. Ah, yeah, I wanna be there. Ah, yeah, I wanna be there. Next to you. Ah, yeah, next to you. Ah, yeah, next to you. Ah, yeah, next to you. I wanna be next to you.
A little bit of a steep hill, my babes. You got this.
I'm a bit nervous, man.
You excited?
Yeah. This isn't it, eh? No. That's not it.
Yeah, this is where it gets a bit bumpy. Oh yeah. Keep going, babes. To the top cottage.
Like we're in Kruger again.
No joke, they really call it the top cottage for a reason. But halfway up the mountain, we made it. There's our little place. Check this out.
Welcome to our humble abode in the mountains. This is the owner's place on the left. We've got a very nice place. There's Janet, occasionally leopard, not that we mind.
No. By all means, make this your home too.
Come through. Inside we have our little kitchenette. They have put some sugar out, some tea, some coffee, crunchy biscuits complimentary. Then we have a fireplace. Can't light the fire though. Little squirrels have made their home there. Don't want to burn them. So beautiful. Oh, it's got a nice blanket on it. It's very fluffy. It's lovely. And then the bathroom, which is just beautiful. Comes with a shower and a bath, but the bath has a view. Look at that. Not only does it have a view of that, but it has a view of the mountain. Little Weaver. Come out here. Go through here. Here we have our little place where we can fry. Seating area where we can have dinner outside if we really want to.
My wife did her homework. I'm very impressed. Thank you so much, my love. Good way to end the honeymoon. Good place. With good, excellent company. On our way to the restaurant to have a little bit of a dinner. Oh, views like that. Man, it doesn't get much better. Just locking up and then we head in.
All the windows closed.
Yeah. The upper deck is where we will be eating tonight.
Yep.
A quaint little place.
Up there.
It's actually pub and restaurant. Have a look.
Ah, yeah, I wanna be there. Ah, yeah, I wanna be there. Next to you. Ah, yeah, next to you. Ah, yeah, next to you. Ah, yeah, next to you. I wanna be next to you.
Cold outside, sitting
Listen
inside.
to LM Radio. This is Pa's favorite radio station. LM Radio. He still listens to it. It looks so good.
What do you have?
I got a lamb shank with some veggies and rice and potato.
Ice brine. Yeah guys, we're gonna end the vlog here.
And tomorrow's a new day. So
Early
next
again,
week
guys,
is a
it's
new
early.
vlog. Yeah, early. Next week's new vlog. Check it out. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let us know what you think.